everyone! Today we will be making a common Hispanic breakfast dish of yummy chilaquiles. You will only need 7 ingredients for this recipe. You're going to use 2 to 3 tomatoes, depending on the size. We want some large tomatoes. We're going to use 1/3 cup of chopped onion, 2 jalapeno peppers. We're going to remove the stem and the seeds and then dice it. 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to season with salt and oregano. 8 corn tortillas that we will cut into wedges and bake them. You can also use tortilla chips that may be a little bit stale to save you some time. And we have some optional toppings of cilantro and some cotija cheese. This recipe may be a little spicy, so just adjust the chili pepper to your taste. Have a large skillet with the lid and a blender handy. Now let's get started. First, we are going to make the tortilla chips. Try to put the pieces in a single layer so that they don't stick to each other, and spray everything with nonstick cooking spray. Then bake at 425 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Spray a large skillet with nonstick cooking spray. Then add the onion and cook over medium-high heat for 5 minutes or until lightly browned, and make sure to stir often. After 5 minutes, stir in the tomatoes, the peppers and garlic, and season with oregano and salt. Cook everything for a few more minutes. Pour this mixture into a blender and cover with a tight-fitting lid. Blend it until it's smooth. Pour the blended mixture back into the skillet. Then bring it back to a boil and simmer over medium heat for 5 minutes. After those 5 minutes, add the tortilla chips to the skillet and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes more. And finally, sprinkle everything with cotija cheese, then cover and let it stand for a minute or so to melt the cheese. That's it! Serve immediately and top with optional cilantro and sprinkle with more cheese. Enjoy!